If you're the owner of a Jeep Cherokee from 1988 to 1996 and you're looking to upgrade your factory speakers without breaking the bank or venturing into complex modifications, the Harmony Audio Bundle might just be what you're looking for. This package includes a pair of HAR5 5.25-inch speakers and a HA7210002 factory speaker replacement harness specifically designed to fit your Jeep Cherokee, ensuring a smooth installation process. Let's dive into the specifics of the speakers themselves. The Harmony R5 speakers are 5.25 inches, which is a size commonly used in many vehicles, meaning they are likely to be a direct replacement for the existing factory speakers in your Jeep. This size strikes a balance between sound quality and fitting into existing speaker locations without the need for additional modifications or adapters. Now, focusing on sound quality, these speakers include tweeters, which are essential for delivering clear, crisp highs. This can be a significant upgrade over the typically muddier sounds of stock speakers, which often lack the range needed to handle high frequencies effectively. With a 2.0 surround sound channel configuration, the Harmony R5 speakers are designed to improve the overall audio experience, enhancing everything from the clarity of vocals to the subtleties in hi-hats and other treble sounds in your music. Another crucial aspect of these speakers is the included HA7210002 factory speaker replacement harness. This harness is what sets this bundle apart, making the installation process potentially a plug-and-play affair. There's no need for soldering or crimping wires, which can be intimidating and time-consuming if you're. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.